Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this all matte purple smoky eye, and if you want to see how I achieved it, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes using the pillowy base in the shade 02. And I'm using the flat synthetic brush from Mmmmitchel and Louise collection, and then I'm switching to the F12 from Colourpop. Today I'll be working with a Paradigm Shift palette from Sample Beauty, and if you guys been on my channel, you know that it's one of my favorite palettes, and I'm going to start off with this purple shade. I'm using the pointed crease brush from Makeup Geek. I would usually go with a smaller brush for this step, like Morphe E18 or a small crease brush, but all of those were dirty, so I had to use this one. Next, I'm gonna go with this lighter purple shade, and I'm using Morphe M506 brush to diffuse the edges. Once there is little product left on the brush, I'm going to start to bring it towards the inner corner. I'm also going to blend out the edges on the inside. This will help us with the transition later on. Then I'm gonna go back with a little bit more of that shade and just keep blending until it's intense enough for me. You can go as bright or as soft as you like. Now, using this transition shade and another Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to diffuse the edges. As you can see, it's very pigmented just like every other shade in this palette, but that's not a big deal because once we're done blending, we're gonna go back with more of that purple shade to bring back the intensity. Sometimes purples seem to be a little bit challenging, but out of all the purple eyeshadows that I tried, these have to be my favorite. In general, bright colors always need a little bit more work than neutrals, so some extra blending and you're gonna get there. Now, using Morphe E36 pencil brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of the black eyeshadow on my outer corner. Using the same dark purple that I started with, I'm gonna go over it so it doesn't look harsh. Now, using a flat synthetic brush, I'm going to apply that same transition shade that I used earlier all over my lid. Today I'm going for a soft crease, so using Morphe M506 brush and the lighter purple shade, I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to apply more of that purple and black eyeshadows just to make the outer corner really smoky and intense before going in with my eyeliner. I'll be using the angled eyeliner brush from Mmmmitchel and Louise collection and my gel liner from Pretty Vulgar. You can achieve a similar look using a liquid eyeliner and just black eyeshadow, of course, but gel liners are very blendable, so it's just gonna be a lot easier for you. So as you can see, I'm applying it across my lash line, making it thicker towards the outer corner. Now, using some black eyeshadow and Morphe E36, I'm going to smoke it out. I'm also gonna go with this tight line brush from Sephora Pro collection and apply it underneath my lashes and on my waterline. As you can see, I did apply some concealer off camera before moving on to my lower lash line. Using the same angle brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of the gel liner on the outer third of my lower lash line and then go over it with a black eyeshadow. Now, using a different pencil brush, I'm going to blend it out using the purple shade. Using a definer brush, I'm going to apply some black eyeshadow really close to my waterline where the pencil brush can get. This will make it look really smoky. Using a lighter purple shade and Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. In just the same way that I did on the lid, I'm gonna go back and forth between the colors until they look nicely blended and intense. So you see me going back with the darker purple and blending it out once again. To highlight, I'm gonna use this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I can't remember the shade, but I'm gonna put it down in my description box. And now finally, I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes to complete the look. I was asked about my lashes on YouTube and Instagram, and honestly, I usually don't mention which ones I use because I keep them in lash books like this, and after a while, I just can't remember what they are. So here's the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I post mini tutorials there as well, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!